Today we will talk about second chapter of ninth grade, that is solving a biological problem. Let's talk about introduction about solving a biological problem. Science is the systemized knowledge derived from observations and experiments. These experiments are carried out to determine the principles about how nature operates. Scientists like chemists, biologists, and physicists use the same scientific method to make and test new theories. In this chapter, we will study the steps of biological method. We will study malaria as an example to understand the steps in detail. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. In our next lecture, we will discuss about biological methods. Thank you.